Welcome to today's episode, where we turn our attention to Beijing, where China is preparing one of its largest military parades in years. President Xi Jinping will lead the event, showcasing China's growing military strength to the world. But this parade is about more than just tanks and soldiers. It is also a message of politics and power, as Xi hosts several leaders who face international sanctions. With this, China is signaling a new kind of alliance, one that challenges traditional Western influence. So join us as we explore what this grand parade means for China, its partners, and the future of global power. China is preparing for one of its biggest military parades in recent years. The streets are being decorated, soldiers are practicing their steps, and large weapons are being polished for display. For the government, this parade is more than just a celebration. It is a way to show the world how strong and powerful China has become. At the center of this event is President Xi Jinping. He will stand in front of thousands of soldiers, tanks, and aircraft, giving the image of a leader who is confident and in control. But this year, the parade is not just about China's army. It is also about politics and friendship. Many foreign leaders are coming to Beijing to join the event. Some of them are leaders who face sanctions from the international community. By inviting them, Xi shows that China is willing to welcome those who are pushed aside by Western countries. This sends a message. China wants to create its own circle of allies, even if they are not accepted in the West. The parade is also carefully watched by other nations. Some see it as a normal national celebration. Others view it as a warning that China is becoming more assertive on the world stage. To its supporters, the parade is a proud moment of national strength. To its critics, it is a sign of rising tension in world politics. In the end, the Grand Parade is not only about soldiers marching in perfect lines. It is a story of power, politics, and the changing balance in global affairs. The bright colors, loud music, and massive crowds all hide a deeper question. What role will China play in shaping the future of the world? Thank you for listening to this episode on China's military parade. While the event may look like a celebration of strength, it also reflects the deeper story of shifting alliances and rising tension in world politics. As nations watch closely, one question remains. What role will China play in shaping the global order of tomorrow. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe, share with your friends, and stay tuned for more episodes where we bring you important stories from around the world.